Hello everyone, my name is Eric Jones. I am the turf teacher and I'm going to show you a quick video on how to create a YouTube page. Now, if you've seen the lecture on Name Check Finder to find your social media usernames, hopefully you've already picked that out and this will be simple. We used Turf Topics as the company name for the lecture on doing the name check. But what I'm going to do is I personally want to have a YouTube page other than my Turf Teacher YouTube page, which I post all my lectures, but I want to do a YouTube page called TurfTube. The name is available by doing the name check search, so I'm going to go and set that up. So I'm going to open up Google Chrome. I already have the email account set up that I want to use, and that is going to be TurfTuber. TurfTube was not available, so what I'm using is TurfTuber. I get that name by basically listening to my kids. They're all about YouTube, and they say that their favorite YouTuber is such and such. I don't know these guys' names and girls' names that they follow on YouTube, but they call them YouTubers. So I'm creating a YouTube account. I'm going to call it TurfTube, but I'm going to be a TurfTuber, just like my kids call them YouTubers. So I kind of use some of the information that I collect from my kids, and I use them in my lectures, and I use them in the business. So hope that's a catchy name. Hope that brought a smirk to your face or a giggle, and we'll show you how to set up a YouTube page. So I'm in my email account. I just go up here to this 9 little blocks, and I click on YouTube. Now the thing with YouTube, it's going to take a few days, and I'll show you that where it's in account settings. But I'm going to sign in, and it should automatically sign in for us. And it did. And as you can see, there's no profile picture or anything like that. So what I want to do is I want to update that. I want to go to my channel. You can see that it's Eric Jones TurfTuber at Gmail. So we're going to click on my channel. There, use YouTube as Eric Jones. Correct. I'm going to create the channel. And then it'll give me an opportunity to upload a profile pic, and I'll upload a background pic. So you don't have any recent public recent uploads, so this will not appear on your channel. To add content, upload a video, that's going to be a whole separate thing for us to do. But we're going to hit customize the channel. I'm going to add a profile picture. This is going over to my Google Plus account. Now, if you're watching the YouTube for a Green Industry Business lecture, you'll understand that Google Plus and YouTube is connected. So I'm going to upload, find that one that I want. It takes a little bit for this to upload, and our profile pic, it's going to be visible on Google Plus right away, but it may take a little bit to show up on your YouTube profile pic. Just got to be patient, and it explains that in account settings. And like I said, it does take a little bit for this picture to get uploaded. Has nothing to do with the speed of the internet or here. I'm pretty optimizing the availability of the internet here with speed. Just takes a little bit. When I created Turf Teacher, it took about a minute, maybe just a little bit longer to get that pic. And there it is. And so I'm still going to use my Turf Teacher logo. I mean, that's me, even though I have a YouTube page that I'm going to call TurfTube. It's going to be TurfTube by the Turf Teacher. So collect done. It'll put it in that profile pic right in the middle. And there you can see it. Now, what I also want to do is to change that background setting. And I downloaded a very good picture of green grass from the internet. You can take your own pictures or whatever, but I mean, you know, grass pictures are available online. Again, it takes about the same amount of time to upload that profile pic. And then once I get that, your profile pic from your Google Plus is going to be your profile pic on your YouTube. And it's asking if I want to change my name. No, I want to leave it Eric Jones. And there is my Google Plus page for TurfTube, which I'm using. Well, TurfTuber is the Gmail account. But you know, I am a man. August 30th is my birthday, and that is my information. So I'm going to go back to my YouTube. I'm going to add channel art to my YouTube page. I can select it from the computer. We use the same one. Now, you do make sure that it needs to be at least 2560 by 1440 on your background channel art for YouTube. And there it's showing you that the channel art is going to look different on a desktop versus TV versus mobile. That's fine. It's saving. And there pops up the grass on my YouTube page. Now, again, the profile pic, it may take a day or two. It may take just a little bit. Just depends on getting this. It took Turf Teacher at least, it was a day or two before it popped up. But you just want to keep checking it. And since this is such a new YouTube page, I do want to show you how we can change that. Again, it's Eric Jones. The email address is turftuber@gmail. But I want to go to YouTube settings. And we'll just click on that picture again. Well, let's go back to advanced settings first, or settings. But I want you to click advanced. Your custom URL system has changed. Learn more. Your user ID, your YouTube channel. If you ever wanted to delete it, you could there. Getting a custom URL. Now this is where I'm going to change it to TurfTube. Claiming a custom URL for YouTube. The general eligibility requirements, I have to have 100 or more subscribers, be at least 30 days old, have an uploaded photo as a channel icon, and have uploaded channel art. Now, we've done the last two. We've uploaded channel icon. We did that through Google+, and then I uploaded the picture of the turf as my channel art. And in general, a YouTube channel may only have one custom URL, and they cannot be transferred or signed to anyone else. So to set it up for your channel, you'd sign into YouTube, go back to advanced account settings where we are. Under channel settings, click the link, you're eligible for a custom URL. You'll only see this link if your channel is eligible. And in the get a custom URL box, you can't change that part in the gray box. You may need to add a few letters or numbers to make the URL unique to you. Carefully read and understand the terms. Once a custom URL has been approved, you can't request to change it. So make sure this is the custom URL that you want before clicking or confirming a choice. Was this article helpful? Yes. Thanks for your feedback. And what I want to do is return back to the YouTube page. So what you can do is you can search for videos in here that interest you. But again, we'll go back to our channel, or my channel, and this is where you can see it. I don't have any content yet. That'll be in another video. But ladies and gentlemen, hope this helped you set up a YouTube account. Again, you need to do a name check search, figure out which name, social media names are available for you, create your page. With YouTube, you've got to wait till you get at least 100 subscribers and that it's 30 days old before you can pick that custom URL. So anyways, I hope this helped, and I will talk to you soon.